Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kekia ke Jela Meghalaya uba Wailadmiki Shilau la pentikna bagi Sorkar Jela kalau Kyntait ke Jingpanram ban Panram Kremsut kabakot ars pak Klur tengka naga USTM ke bertemu bentai ya ke PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital. Uli tu baya kene kerai ban om kershan ne airam asim hida kekenun menteri ha ke jingelang ke pemencuan. Namar ba umpat dan bentah ke kenuhun menteri ha ketua por uba Wailadmiki ukubur ba tip tikena giding syabaro. Ndrai ula kedo ba kala bandai namar ke jingluna pisah ke jelam Meghalaya ke bahap ban pet jengmut penban hakibai pat ki kamba kongsan. Ula benrap dia banamar ba ke USTM ke ke jaka polisimet ke Sorkar kala ban snow ba kala ban punya opisahi ne kiwai pat ki telong meni opisah bat kala bandai ke daw ba ke Sorkar ke syim ya ke negara ban Kyntait.
No. Last time, yeah, no doubt at the initial stage, I think there was a discussion, but later on, the government has declined. There is no such support.
Government is not willing to.
Last time, I think in the previous cabinet, I think I was not a part of it, but there I think the decision has come that they have rejected this proposal of giving interest-free loan to the USTM.
So, any particular reason for cancelling this? Not agreeing to this loan, sir.
See, according to like I already mentioned that I was not a part of the cabinet at that time, so I was not aware of what are the integrity of the discussion at that point of time. But I'm quite sure that I think there will be some genuine reason, because right now even Meghalaya also is not a surplus state, a revenue surplus state, so it's a revenue deficit. So definitely we also have many other important, other important things to concentrate or to invest. So since USTM being the private institution, so I feel that maybe the government at that time feel that they will be able to maybe from other source they can find funding or financial support. So that's why I think because of that, so the government may have decided in that line.